Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the area ready. Heat the sticker slightly with a hairdryer for 20–30 seconds to soften adhesive so removal is controlled. While you heat, wipe around the sticker with rubbing alcohol to cut through oils. This helps new adhesive bond later. Use a utility knife at a shallow angle to lift a corner. Make sure to test a small edge so you know if it peels cleanly or fragments, because that determines whether you need adhesive remover next. Once you have a corner lifted, peel slowly and evenly while reapplying gentle heat. Rapid pulling can tear the sticker or strip finish. After the sticker is off, apply adhesive remover or soapy water with a soft cloth to dissolve residue. Wipe in the grain of the wood or direction of finish to avoid streaks. When reapplying, make a hinge with masking tape at the top to preview placement. This ensures the sticker is straight and avoids repeated stick peel cycles that weaken adhesive. To reapply, position the top hinge, then fold the sticker down while pressing from the center outward to force air out. Use a squeegee or credit card wrapped in cloth for firm, even contact. If small bubbles appear, puncture them with a fine pin and press the air out toward the puncture. Larger bubbles may need lifting and resmoothing. Make sure the surface is fully dry. If adhesion fails, add a thin layer of spray adhesive or thin double-sided tape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.